This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the device is ready. Set a passcode and back up your iPhone so changes are reversible. Once done, get the mobile config file onto the phone via mail, Safari, AirDrop, or iCloud Drive. Make sure you have an active network and are signed into your Apple ID. These let profiles verify and download any linked resources. Now tap the file to begin. iOS will present an install prompt instead of opening the config directly, so you're ready for the next step. You'll see an install screen describing what the profile changes. Read it to understand permissions like VPN, Wi-Fi, or certificates. Once you tap Install, enter your device passcode, and if required, the profile password. Make sure to inspect Settings General Profiles or Profiles and Device Management to confirm the signer and expiration. If the profile contains certificates, iOS may ask you to enable Trust. Do that for secure connections. After install, wait for iOS to apply network or configuration changes. You should now verify the applied settings. Check Wi-Fi SSID, VPN connection, mail account, or app behavior to confirm the config works. If something fails, reboot the iPhone first. That often resolves lingering permission or networking issues. If problems persist, remove the profile from settings and reinstall the mobile config. Make sure the profile is properly signed. Unsigned or expired profiles can be blocked. If necessary, contact the provider for an updated or corrected config file before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.